Zmodo app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, let's check our application if it's updated or not. Head over to your Play Store and type in Zmodo. Here, if your application shows update, then you have to tap on update and update your app. Once you update your app, head over to your settings and scroll below until you see this option of apps. Under here, search for Zmodo again. Scroll below onto storage and clear the cache if you have any. Also make sure to clear the data, but before that, make sure that you remember your credentials. Once done, come back and see if this fixes your app not working problem. If you are still facing that issue, then you have to uninstall this application entirely from your device and reinstall it again. To do that, long tap onto your app, then tap on uninstall and tap on OK. Now go ahead and reinstall this application and that will definitely fix your problem. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Until then, subscribe to our channel and like this video.